Hi guys! How are you today? Welcome back to my channel, Adventures in America. If you are new to my channel, my name is Jocelyn, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. And at the end of this video, if you like it, please give it a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Let's get started. Today we are going to talk about the new arrival guidelines for those inbound passengers effective February 1st. Please take note that the travel ban has been lifted effective February 1st, and there's a new resolution. It's resolution number 97 that was issued by the Interagency Task Force, and there are requirements that must be met by those who are traveling to the Philippines. The first requirement is that foreign nationals who are allowed to travel must have a valid and existing visa, except those who are balikbayan, so those who are Filipino nationals and they have their foreign spouse or children traveling with them, they can avail of the visa-free privilege for 1 year. The second requirement is that you must have a pre-booked quarantine facility for at least 7 nights in an accredited Department of Tourism hotel accommodation. The third requirement is that you will be subjected to COVID testing at your quarantine facility on the 6th day after your date of arrival. Number 4 requirement is that you will be subjected to maximum inbound capacity on the date of travel and at the port of entry. First of all, you needed your face mask and face shield before boarding, and download the Traze App mobile application. Also, you needed to fill out the case investigation form depending on your port of entry. Either it is for Manila, for Cebu, or at Clark. Here are the step-by-step requirements. In compliance with Philippine regulations, the Interagency Task Force on the Management of Emerging Infectious Diseases has revised the arrival and quarantine protocols for passengers arriving in the Philippines. Eligible travelers are required to undergo a facility-based quarantine while waiting for their RT-PCR test administered on day 6. Day 1 starts on the day of the passenger's arrival. Step number 1. If you are flying through PAL, you needed to register at least 3 days before arrival, and I'm going to send the link below. If you have other airlines, you needed to register with the Red Cross ECIF. I'm also going to send the link below. Your registration is complete once you receive an email and a QR code. Number 2, download, print, and accomplish the Affidavit of Undertaking and submit it upon arrival in the Philippines. Number 3, ensure to have a confirmed booking at a hotel accredited by tourism and health agencies and for at least 6 nights to accommodate the schedule of your test and the release of results. In compliance with Philippine regulations, only 1 person is allowed per room. A waiver of special cases is available upon arrival for exemptions of more than 1 adult in a room. For example, person with non-COVID-19 medical conditions needing assistance, or 1 adult traveling with more than 1 child, etc. 4. Upon checking in, sign the declaration and waiver form. Step number 5. During your flight, you needed to accomplish 3 cards: your arrival card, Bureau of Customs card, and health declaration form. When you arrive, step number 6. Upon arrival, listen to the briefing conducted by the Philippine Coast Guard. Number 7. Undergo a temperature check, submit the health declaration form upon deplaning, and proceed to the designated waiting area. Fill out the Affidavit of Undertaking. Step 8. Proceed to the hotel desk. Hotel coordinators shall verify your hotel booking or assist you in your reservation if you have not made one yet. Please ensure that hotel verifiers have signed or stamped your Affidavit of Undertaking. You may also arrange for your airport transfer or airport hotel transfer at these desks. A separate desk is available for coupon taxis and metered taxis. A sticker will be given to you indicating your choice of transportation to your quarantine hotel. Step 9. Proceed to the verification booth. Present your passport and the QR code sent to you after accomplishing the ECIF. Number 10. Pay for your test. The test costs 4,000 pesos and you may pay in cash, card, GCash, PayPal, WeChat Pay, or Alipay. ATMs are available inside the terminal. You will be given 3 barcode stickers. Number 11. Receive a sticker indicating that you are holding a confirmed booking and that you have paid for your test. Place the sticker on the back of your passport. Number 12. Help desks are available at the waiting area for passengers who do not have smart devices or phones. Charging stations are also available. Number 13. Clear with immigration and submit the arrival card. Number 14. Claim your baggage at the designated carousel and clear with customs check. Submit the Bureau of Customs form. Number 15. Submit the Affidavit of Undertaking before exiting the terminal. Proceed to your booked hotel through your preferred mode of transportation. Here are the requirements when you check in at your hotel. Number 16. Check in at your hotel and wait for the schedule of your test. On day 3 of your quarantine stay, you will receive a follow-up email that confirms the hotel you are staying in and updates your health through an assessment checklist. You must answer this online form no later than day 4 of your stay. You can also visit this online on the link below if you are flying through PAL. On day 5 of your stay, the testing partner may contact you or your hotel to confirm your schedule and location. Please be reminded that your scheduled test may be postponed the next day or at a later date for any unforeseen circumstances. Day 1 starts on the day you arrive in the Philippines. If you develop COVID-19 symptoms at any time before your scheduled test, please inform the hotel you are staying in so a medical or BOQ officer can assess and check up on you immediately. On the day of your test, please present your passport, QR code, and payment receipt to the personnel who will administer your test. To follow up on your test results, you may contact the testing partner through the following channels. I'm going to send the information below in my description. Number 18. Your accommodation and food during your stay, including fees due to the required extensions, will be at your own expense. Delivery of food and other essentials to your room are subject to the rules and regulations of the hotel. Let's go over the procedures once you test negative or positive and when you are going home. If you test positive, the BOQ shall transfer you to a designated hospital for further medical management. If you test negative, you may obtain your BOQ's medical certificate via the DOH BOQ Certificate Page or emailing the details such as your name, your address, your hotel and room number, the country of origin, the date of arrival, number of quarantine days, and an attachment of your official test result. Please present your negative test result together with a BOQ medical quarantine certificate for clearance. If you need a hard copy of your result and certificate, printing services are available at your quarantine hotel. The last step, once cleared, you can call your relatives and respective local government units to pick you up or arrange for your transportation going home. Please complete your 14-day quarantine or self-isolation under the monitoring of your LGU and Barangay Health Emergency Response teams. There you go. We don't know the changes that will be coming up in the next few weeks or months or days, but I'm going to update you as soon as they are officially available, and I'm going to send all the resources below in my description. Again, if you have any other questions or comments, please post them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.